So this is my recent Amazon sewing haul. I decided to get some pins, and I like these pins. The head are very large, and you could easily see them in a distance. Let's say anything falls, I could easily see these pins at a distance, and they are nice and long, which I really like for my sewing projects. And these pins could also be used to, like, let's say you're doing any sort of a craft and stuff, like maybe a wedding or some special occasion. These would come in really, really handy, really, especially these pearl design tips, and they are long, so they go to a great depth to, secure whatever you're doing. And I also got myself some needles. Now I have a great difficulty in threading a regular needle, so the ivory needles are very, very big, so I shouldn't have a problem to thread these needles. And in addition to that, this set came with another assistance to help me thread the needle if I still cannot thread the needle on my own with this wide eye needle. So this comes with it first to assist to thread the needle, and it works really, really great. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of sewing projects with these simple two gadgets that I recently bought from Amazon.